Hi, I'm Julianito Villegas Villasanta. That's my full name. But I am also known as Boy Villasanta. That's my screen name here in the Philippines, where I write for a lot of media platforms like tabloids, newspapers, magazines, online news, both traditional and social media outlets. But of course, I am also an artist, no? It's not only entertainment writing that I'm into. I'm also a filmmaker on the side, no? But this time, I want to be a full-fledged filmmaker. I am 71 years old, but I think it's not too late for me to be a full-fledged filmmaker. That's why I'm really passionate about being admitted in the 2026 Busan International Film Business Academy. I really want to be here with you because I want to share a lot of experiences, Filipino experiences in the field of entertainment in this country. I I have a lot of things to share with you, both creatively and technically, and all the empirical things that I have absorbed in my almost 50 years in the industry. I want to be a serious filmmaker because I think film can change a lot of things in the human society and even the other spheres of our life, and because it's really a fascinating field. Filmmaking is a powerful medium to change life for the better, and I believe that the Philippines has a lot of things to be exposed to, and a lot of things to be written about and to be seen in films. So I think I am ready for this adventure with your Asian film school in Busan. I hope I will be admitted, and this is just the beginning of my journey with you. I hope I can be with you in 2026 for a lot of sharing creative and technical and human experiences. Again, this is Boy Villasanta, Julianito Villasanta in real life. Thank you so much.